I taste. Sour?
You must reach the CPU castle. The code is broken.
Feel the sour power.
It's getting closer. What do we do? There has to be a way.
I'm losing my pixels.
I have to type in the reboot command. Come on, come on! System reboot initiated.
No thanks. I'm going on a diet.
My ghost compass is going crazy. Maybe we should wait for the next one?
It welded itself shut. Hold on! Ah!
Tickets!
Tickets?
Tickets!
We don't have tickets. We have magic.
Elena, this track doesn't go to the city. It goes to the end of the world.
We have to get to the engine room and stop this thing. Let's move. Try the souffle.
I'm on a diet.
Ew. Ectoplasm.
I can't steer. I'm drifting.
Physics to the rescue!
End of the line, princess.
Seconds to impact! Isabel! The brake!
Red wire or blue wire?
Let's try both.
Next time,
We take a carriage.
run faster! The walls are closing in!
Is everyone flat?
Welcome to the Clockwork Labyrinth. We have to restart the core manually. Watch your step. Calculate the rotation speed. And jump.
Don't look down! Don't look down! I look down.
Watch out! Ugh. Pressure release. It's a waltz. 1, 2, 3, vent. Left. Right. Jump.
Note to self. Magnetic spells in a metal room? Bad idea.
Isabel, find the off switch. Just a big moving puzzle.
Let's see how you like a gummed up gearbox.
We need to slow time down to fixed time. Irony.
On 3. 1, 2, TH3E. Push! It's fighting back.
It's gonna snap.
Gotcha.
We fixed it. We actually fixed it.
Fresh air never tasted so good.
For scientific study, obviously.
A little help here? Little help here? I'm still magnetized.
To perfect timing. Hi, May. There it is, the Temple of the Emerald King.
My stealth spell is working perfectly. You can't see me, right?
We can see you, Mateo. Robobug, scan the perimeter.
Stay close. Legend says the statues here are touchy.
Look at that. It's mesmerizing.
I barely touched it.
You triggered the security system.
Run! Back to the entrance. Or not. Defensive positions. Defensive positions.
Eat potassium, you rocky rodents!
Isabel. Find a way out. I can't hold them forever.
Look up. The skylight.
Climb! Don't look down.
I'm too young to be a statue. Nice monkey. Good monkey. Have a banana?
Blaze. Gotcha. You owe me a new drone battery. Keep climbing!
It's a color sequence. Green, red, blue.
Hurry, Isa! He's almost here! Whoa!
It's open.
Levitato! Up we go!
Don't stop until we hit the river.
I think
I'm done with monkeys.
forever.
Elena, no.
Elena, no.
Bubble spell. Successful.
The legends were true. Marukoda, the sunken city.
Race you to the palace gates.
This isn't just gold. It's circuitry. Ancient tech.
I didn't do it. Okay, maybe I did.
split up. Confuse its sensors.
Chew on this. It's too fast. I can't shake it.
It's an automated sentry. The reset switch is under the fin.
Here, fishy fishy. Come get the, fake tuna.
System reboot initiated. Mateo, the spell is fading. My air is running out.
Air. Sweet, sweet air.
We found it. The King's Vault.
Why does everything I touch explode?
Grab on! This trident controls the current. Sunshine!
My precious. Rent money.
It was magic. I swear.
You guys smell like sushi!
Hey! Watch the electronics. Just another day in Avalor. Best festival ever. Look at the colors.
That's odd. The photon frequency just died.
It's eating the spectrum. Don't let it touch you.
The Palace Prism.
If we overload it, we can blast him with all colors at once.
Follow the light. Don't trip.
Back off, you ink stains.
Let's light it up.
I need to reroute the city's power grid to this crystal.
Isabel, hurry! I can't hold him.
Come on! Feel the rhythm!
It's unstable, Zephyr. Everyone cover your eyes! Fire.
Did it work? Everything looks colorful.
I think I overcharged the drum.
The Festival of Lights 2.0. Even better.
Gracias, Avalor!
Tastes like blueberries and lightning.
I call this the servo motor. Let your light shine.
It's the lost temple of Zephyr. It's falling!
We have to reach the gravity core before it hits the city. There's too much debris. I can't clear it all.
Follow my lead. I found a thermal vent.
Everyone okay? We have 3 minutes until impact.
Its windshield is too strong. Magic can't touch it.
Image 3. Find the override switch. The power source is on its neck. We need to shut it down manually. We can't move. The pressure is too high.
I can hold the shield for about 10 seconds.
Going for the neck.
Image 3! Jai sinking off! Throw the jaw! Ugh.
Shut down. Guardian neutralized. Now the core.
Gravity is inverting. We're gonna fall upwards.
Push the magic in. Recharge it.
That wasn't too close.
Look at that view. The kingdom of the sky is safe again.
Nope. Not keeping that.
Race you to the palace.
We saw the island stop. You did it, Mija. The gravity pulse revealed more islands. A whole archipelago.
I'm awake! I'm awake! No more rocks!
We aren't the only ones in the sky.
Ready? Ready for the next adventure?
Not in my city. Mateo, shield up. Take this.
It reflected? That's new.
We need high ground. The resonance is spreading through the earth. That should hold it for a minute. That should hold it for a minute.
Look, it's not solid stone. It's vibrating sound waves solidified by magic.
We don't need to hit it harder. We need to match its frequency.
Mateo, can you amplify Isabel's device with your sound magic?
That's a lot of snake for one little drum.
Go! Go! Nice catch, Mateo.
Almost there. Don't let it eat us.
Hey! Over here, you overgrown jewelry box.
It's ready. The sonic amplifier is live.
Hold tight. We're going in close. Now! Keep it up. It's reaching critical resonance.
Shatter.
That
Was loud.
Until next time.
I am the real Elena. You are the imposter.
I don't know which one to blast. They have the same aura.
Thermal signatures are identical. This is physically impossible. We are all reflexes.
Run! Get to the Grand Mirror. Don't look at the walls. Don't look at your reflection.
Get off me, you handsome devil!
Anti-reflective coating. I knew this would come in handy. That's the source. The dimension leak is widening.
Heat beats glass. Keep them back.
Isabel, figure out how to close it.
The keystone, at the top of the frame.
Break that, and the portal collapses.
Mateo.
Keep me steady.
Just a cheap copy.
Percussion is percussion, right?
I like the new sound.
Game over.
Is everyone the real version?
Just making sure. You can never be too careful.
I'll handle the cleanup. No more mirrors, though.
It's good to be back on this side.
Let's go get some empanadas.
Mateo! Turn it off. It is too unstable.
I can't control it. The containment spell is broken.
Magic won't work. We need to stabilize the frequency mechanically. Now!
Did we stop time? Not exactly. We didn't stop time. We broke it.
Well, at least he finally stopped panicking. Isabel, get back! The time freeze has guests. You are not welcome in my palace.
If I reverse the polarity of his wand, I can unfreeze him.
Wait, why is everyone moving so slow?
Mateo!
Focus. The shadows are eating the frozen time. Mateo, light them up. Isabel, target the vortex source.
Zuzule!
Take that, Shadow Cats!
Just a little closer. I need to plug it in.
Stay away from my sister.
It's blocked. It's blocked. I can't reach the core.
Mateo, boost me! Isabel, catch! Bullseye!
Don't let go! It's resetting the timeline!
Is everyone alive?
We did it! Science and magic combined. My chronometer is fried, but the timeline seems stable.
I think I'm going to take a vacation. A long one, without clocks.
Ready for round two? winds are changing, Zuzo. Something feels cold.
It's not the wind, Princess. Balestrella is screaming.
Elena, the portal. The Shadow Clan, they're back.
To the spirit world. Vamos!
Brace yourself, Princess. It's worse than I thought.
They're blocking the path to the Oracle. Blaze. Blaze. Hold on! Tight turn! Oh. The Oracle. We have to cut those vines.
The light dies here, Sunblood.
Elena, free the Oracle. I'll handle him.
Let her G.O. We did it, Skylar. Balestrella is safe. That wasn't weather. That was a siege boulder. We're too late. The outer sanctuary, it's gone.
Not gone, Princess. Purified.
Kaelo, you swore an oath to the Guardians.
A little heavy-handed, isn't he? Or should I say heavy-pawed?
Stand down, Kaelo. By the power of Avalor.
Seize the human. Clip the traitor's wings.
We can't win this on the ground! Hold on! Go left, through the Spirit Arch. Blaze. Got him! Too close! Even for me. He's breaking the realm anchor. If that breaks, we're all trapped. Cover me, Skylar!
Weakling, you fight for pets.
No! I have to stabilize it!
It ends now, Princess.
You're right. It does. Nice shot. Balestrella is safe. Let's go home, Skylar. The winds are changing, Zuzo. Something feels cold.
It's not the wind, Princess. Balestrella is screaming.
Elena, the portal. The Shadow Clan, they're back.
To the spirit world. Vamos!
Brace yourself, Princess. It's worse than I thought.
They're blocking the path to the Oracle. Blaze. Blaze. Hold on! Tight turn! The Oracle. We have to cut those vines.
The light dies here, Sunblood.
Elena, free the Oracle. I'll handle him.
Let her G.O. We did it, Skylar. Valastrella is safe.